Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's me, Robert Anthony. Have you missed me? Let's talk about RV water filtration. Hey, it's been a while. I am so busy right now with work and with what's going on here in Idaho. I wanted to share with you a company that has introduced themselves to me, and I like what I see. The company is Epic Water Filters. You can see right here is one of their filters. This is an under-the-counter water filter, and we are going to be installing this in the Bigfoot today, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So if you're a Bigfoot owner, you're going to appreciate this because this filter is big. So when I actually was contacted by Epic, which is an American company, I think they're in, they're in Boulder, Colorado. They're an American company. Got to support the American companies. They wanted me to review their product and install it in the Bigfoot and make a video about it for you guys. So I know that a lot of you are traveling in your RVs and you're concerned about water, water quality, and these filters are really, really great. According to the filter, their Witch 3 certification says the Epic Smart Shield obtained. They've obtained the NSF ANSI Standard 42, Standard 53, and Standard 401. So they reduce chlorine, particulates, taste and odor, of course, but asbestos, lead, mercury, MTBE, turbidity, and VOC. A number of other things, ibuprofen, naproxen, a lot of the different things that get into the runoff and into the water system. This dude filters these out. It is big, so we're going to have to make some modifications in the Bigfoot. We'll go in and show you at least what I'm thinking and how this is going to work. All right, well, we're inside the Bigfoot. It's pretty dark in here. I don't know what we're going to do about that. Anyway, so we're going to be putting this underneath the sink cavity here. One of the issues that we have in the sink is the size of this filter does not allow me to get it up underneath here successfully because the mounting bracket is so big. By the time the mounting bracket is put on, it just doesn't want to fit underneath the counter here. So we're going to move all this stuff out. I have to replace my kitchen sink faucet first because this has been recalled due to lead poisoning, apparently. So we're going to do that, and after that we're going to install this water filter and give it a quick review. So we have completed the installation of the faucet. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the holder itself for the filter. And I've got my hole saw out because what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole right here so that the filter has a spot to go down through this cabinet right here. It's got to go through here to the other side. So we're going to drill that hole here and measure all that out. We have to follow the instructions and put this in the holder to actually install it. The instructions that come with this are really, really thorough, very easy to follow. So this is good stuff here. Epic water filters. Oh yeah, what I've done here. All right, so I cut this hole in the cabinetry here because this is going to mount up there. And then we can sink that down in there to change it. So we're going to quick mount it up and then we'll go from there. We're done. I'm going to show you the finished product so you can see how this goes in, at least what I did inside the Bigfoot here. We don't have much light under there, but let's go take a look. All right. They send all the hardware that you need. There's a filter, and you can see I went down through the counter, came out the bottom here, right there. Just enough room to be able to unscrew it, pull it down to change the filter, filter lasts for a long time. They send all of the hardware, blue line, white line, all the instructions on which side to put those into at the top. It's a great deal. Excellent filter. Now we have nice, fresh water. Yeah. Well, friends, that's going to about do it. You like my shirt? Yeah. It's getting hot. T-shirt time. They were also kind enough, I wanted to bring to your attention, they were also kind enough to send me this 46-ounce water bottle that has a filter inside of it. This is a great piece of equipment. It's BPA free, straw lid with a rubber stopper you can take off and sanitize. Well, I guess it's not a rubber stopper, it's a whatever that would be called, rubber straw tip. But goes down in the water bottle, and it has Epic filters on the outside, and these are filters you can change out. They've got a different filter, but I put the charcoal one in. This will filter for about 3 to 4 months on the volume of water that I drink, made in the USA. Isn't that great? Epic filters. But this is really great. This thing has taken a beating. I've beat the heck out of it in using it, and it's still in good shape. I noticed an immediate improvement in the overall taste of the water with this handheld, and I'm quite confident that the new filtration system in the Bigfoot is going to bring much pleasure, much better coffee, of which I am very excited. Yeah, so yeah, this water bottle is really great. I'm really excited to have the filtration option now in the Bigfoot on the cold water side at the kitchen sink for all of our drinking and cooking water. I really think that's going to be great. So big thanks to Epic Filters for reaching out and sending this to me. You have no idea how long I've been looking for a high quality filter that filters out so many different contaminants in the water. And as RVers, that's really important out here. You never know what kind of water you're going to get in these campgrounds. That is for sure. Down in the description below, there's going to be a link to the product. There's also going to be a promotion code that will give you a little percentage off of your first purchase with Epic Filters. Be sure to check that for that promotion code. And I'm going to put it right on the screen here so you can see that code. If you go to Epic Filters, Epic Water Filters, and you buy a filter, you'll get a little bit off, courtesy of yours truly, Rob the RV Guy. I hope that you have enjoyed this. I hope that you found this video helpful. I've got a 12-volt air conditioner that's been sent to me that we're going to be installing soon, so be on the lookout for that. That's coming soon. Also going to redo the entire solar array on top of the Bigfoot this summer, and I'm going to explain why I'm going to do that, but we're going to be putting upwards of 2,100 watts of solar on top of our medium-sized Bigfoot trailer. So really excited to show you that. Really glad that you're here. Love all you guys. Appreciate you. If you like the video, that would be great. If you would hit the like button, subscribe, that would also be great. And hit that bell notification so you know when the next videos come out. Like the new truck? I sure do. Well, it's not a new truck. It's the Tundra, but it has a wrap on it that is pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Well, as we close out, this playlist here is a playlist that is all things RV modifications. This video is a video that YouTube thinks that you want to see next. And of course, if you click the circle, you're subscribed, and we would love to have you on board as a subscriber. Until the next time, I will see you around. Rob out.